Okay, good morning all of you. Here I am going to discuss some standard SOP problems. Okay, so here in this problem, the question will be like this: transform the given Boolean expression into standard sum of product, standard SOP form using K-map. Okay, using K-map we can simplify this one. See here the function is the function depends on 4 variables, 4 domains. So that is A, comma B, C, comma D. So our function depends on these 4 variables, but the given expression in this, but these expressions are not in the standard form. See here the term dr d plus is missing, here also dr d plus is missing, here C is missing, and here both A and D are missing. Okay, so first we have to convert this Boolean expression into standard SOP form, and next we have to simplify by using K-map. Okay, so let's see how to simplify this one. So first I am taking first term. So in this first term it is A, B, C, and so here missing term is D or D plus. D or D plus is missing. Okay, so which is equal to A, B, C, D plus A, B, C, D bar. Okay, this is finished. Next here also B and B term, D and D bar is missing. So again take the term A, B bar, C. Here the missing variable is D or D bar. So which can write as A, B bar, C, D plus A, B bar, C, D bar. Okay. Next, and here in the third term, again here the C or C bar is missing. So C variable is missing. So we could write A, B, D, and we are multiplying C or C bar. So which is equal to A, because the value of C and C bar is 1. So that's why you are multiplying here. And here the D and D bar value is also 1. So anything multiplied with 1 is does not change, right? So next A, B, D, C plus A, B, D, C bar. A, B, D, C bar. Here in the fourth term 2 variables are missing, one is A and another one is D. So you have to multiply both variables separately. So like this. Okay, here only I am simplifying. So first for this B, C, first I am multiplying A plus A bar. So which is equal to B, C, A plus B, C, A bar. Okay. So for this I am multiplying another one, the missing term, the missing variable D or D plus. So which is D plus D bar. So which is equal to B, C, A. Okay. So B, C, A into D plus B, C, A bar into D bar plus B, C, A, D bar, okay, plus B, C, A, okay, B, C, A bar, D, okay. So this is the term we are getting. So now we have to add this term. So this first term and this second term, this term, third term and fourth term here. Okay. Next for that we have to by using that standard SOP we can reduce it by using K-map. So which is equal to, so first I am going to write here this one, that is A, B, C, D plus A, B, C, D bar plus the second term A, B bar, C, D plus A, B bar, C, D bar. Okay. Next the third term is this one plus A, B, D, C plus A, B, D, C bar. Okay. Next plus this one B, C, A, D plus B, C, A bar D bar plus B C A D bar plus B C A bar D. Okay, next, so for this Boolean expression, so this is in standard SOP form. For this Boolean expression we can reduce it to SOP form using the K-map. Okay, so here 4 bit K-map, that means 4 variable K-map. For that we are getting 16 cells. Okay, see, so our 4 variable K-map will be like this. Okay, so in the left side we are taking the AB coefficient and here the CD. Okay, AB which we can write like this. Okay, next, so see, so first ABCD, so ABCD, so this cell will have 1. Next ABCD bar, ABCD bar, again here you have to write 1, and AB bar CD, AB bar CD, AB bar CD, so this one. Okay, AB bar CD, here you will get 1, and AB bar CD bar, AB bar CD bar, here the last column 1, and ABDC, so it is already over, so no need to take that one again. Next ABDC bar, ABDC bar, so this one, and next ABCD, this is also over, and BC A bar D bar, so BC A bar D bar, A bar D bar, and BC, here you will get 1, and next BCAD bar, BCAD bar, so BCAD bar, so this one, right? So BCAD bar, this is already over. Next BCA bar D, so BCA bar D, so this is already over. So the possible of mapping for 4 variables is 8. Okay, we can map for 8 cells here. So we are grouping, the minimum grouping possible here is 4 only. See, okay, maximum for possible for grouping here in this K-map is 4. Okay, so for here the solution will y is equal to, see, for this 4 map which is common, so in these 2 cells A is common and these 2 cells C is common, so answer will AC plus, for this is single, so we can use this one, this cell to map this one. So here AB, in this row AB is common, and in these 2 cells D is common, so we can write as ABD is our solution, plus here we can take this one also with the help of this cell, we can map this one, and here CD bar is in this row, in this column CD bar is constant, and here which one is constant? B is constant. So the solution is CD bar B. So this is the solution for that given Boolean expression. Okay, this is the reduced SOP form using this K-map. Okay.